LOL surprise lights glitter.
Yeah, they have glitter and they light up.
And this is our collection.
These giant cars. The carpool coupe and
The glamper. Okay, let's take off the layers. Oh, there we go. Now it's
I got like a. What did I got? I think I'm not sure what this is, but I know this is a light bulb. It is Forever Lights.
Look, it's a wig, makeup, and a check mark. It is hair, makeup, check.
Wow!
I'll do my
Oh,
first.
it's this is my. Oh, I got a pink ball.
Mine's granny. It's green and black. Come on. Come on. I'm tearing it open. Oh, got it open. You can open first, Haley. Thank you, Haley.
I got a pink. Oh, we got
That's a lot of blind bags.
Yeah, I know. I think there's 8. Oh, including this one,
The checklist.
the small ones first. I'm gonna open this one. Oh, it's a. Wow, it has flowers in it too, and it has a orange cap and a yellow straw and a neon pink bottle. We'll do this one next. Oh, go on the other side. Why did it open it? Yeah.
A few moments later.
Whoa, it's hard to open.
I know, I can't even open it.
Come on, open it like superpowers.
Oh, I got it open now.
Wow, congratulations!
Ooh, I got a fancy headband with flowers. Pretty sure it is the shoes. Oh, it's not the shoes.
It's a shirt and
Wow.
shorts. Wow, it's got leopard prints on it.
Wow. Oh, the orange over here.
Wow.
And then I'm pretty sure this is the light thing. Oh, yes it is. Pull out that.
We can turn it off and on.
Time for the doll, I know. Did not open it yet. Got it open. The shoes!
They're sandals.
With blue bows. And then we got these brown bottoms. Yep.
Okay, open the
Time
doll.
for the
Oh.
We gotta check the checklist. Okay. She's so sparkly. Cereal baby? Oh,
Here.
she's
From the art club, so close.
yeah.
Okay, get her dressed.
Okay, the head will go back on. Oh, there we go. Gotta put on the nice fancy shirt. So fancy. Got the shirt on. Time for the pants.
Shorts.
Shorts. Oh, the shorts. Okay. So hard to put on. Oh no.
And also, Haley, did you know that Cereal Baby can color change?
Oh, she can color change. The most of my LOLs that I get, they color change. The shorts are on. Time for the
That's hard.
head. Oh. It got the rainbow colors, but I don't see the red color.
But there's pink.
Yep.
And to put on her sandals.
Oh,
and
that
make sure
goes on
they're
the
on
left.
the right foot.
Got what? Hello everyone, I am. What's my name again?
Cereal Baby.
Oh.
Cereal.
Okay, let's
Cereal.
Let's
Cereal.
see if she color changes in the light.
Whoa, she's so neon. Okay, let's turn up the light to see the UV colors.
The lipstick goes and she's very neon and she got some blush. She doesn't really blush if it's in the normal light. Wow, she's really, really bright. She's so pretty. It looks like that she's from Hawaii.
Oh yeah. Okay, it's my turn.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna open it. Pick up this. Yeah, whoa. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags. Wow. Okay, let's open this bag first. Huh? Whoa, it's some shorts. It's actually jumpsuits. It's black and white. It's a black and white checkered pattern. Wow. Okay. Whoa. Oh, we got black and white shoes.
Hello.
Wow, they're very small. Open this one. It looks like we're getting a duplicate.
Oh no!
But that's fine.
Yeah.
Because we like getting twins. Okay, let's open this. Whoa. It's a milk carton that's black and white. It's just missing. Have you seen Meow? Okay, let's open this one. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. We got a headband with a bow. It's black and white. Okay. But there's a collar.
Oh, the color.
It's a black and white collar. And this is... We got a duplicate!
Her name is Harley Quinn Girl, and she color changes, and she has colors when the UV light is shined on her.
Let's get her dressed. We gotta put on her jumpsuit. Whoa. We gotta always put this on first.